Om Shri Sai Ram. I offer my humble pranams in the lotus feet of Swami and the embodiment of divine grace, Mother Eshwaramma. Respected elders and my fellow friends of Balavikas, at the very outset, I would like to wish everyone a happy Eshwaramma Day. Times have been extremely difficult for the nation, but Swami, as always, has bestowed his bountiful graces so that we all can come together virtually to celebrate this auspicious occasion. Eshwaramma, initially Navagiri Amma, was born in Kalimikuntala to Subbaraju. Subbaraju was a distant relative of Kondamaraju, and he married off his daughter to the latter's son, Vedavinkamaraju. Kondamaraju, a man who needs no introduction. Even though he was Swami's grandfather by relation, this great man's devotion towards Bhagavan shall forever be remembered. One day, Kondamaraju was blessed with a vision, wherein he witnessed Eshwaramma giving birth to the human form of the divine. Hence, he renamed her as Eshwaramma, meaning Mother of the Divine. It was when Eshwaramma was pregnant with her 8th child that the entire household witnessed quite bizarre incidences and activities. Maybe it was an indication that the Lord has finally arrived. 23rd of November, 1926. A Narayan Puja was organized where Eshwaramma's mother-in-law handed her the prasadam. After consumption, she was blessed with a baby boy. Since this child was born on the day of the puja, he was hence named Shri Sathya Narayan Raju. Mother Eshwaramma possessed a very big heart which was open to all. Apart from raising her own children, she also bestowed love upon the children of the neighborhood. She used to capture the young minds by reading out instances from the epics and also equip the children with strong moral values. 20th of October 1940 was the day when Swami announced to the whole wide world that he was Bhagavan Shri Sathya Sai Baba. Even though Mother Eshwaramma knew deep inside that Swami, then her beloved Sathya, was indomitable, however, she couldn't help but worry about him sometimes. Motherly instincts. Swami's great devotion towards his mother sets an example for all of us. He took her 3 noble wishes as supreme duties entrusted upon him. They were to provide a drinking water supply, a school, and a hospital in Puttaparthi. Swami carried out his duties with such devotion that the water supply project now supplies an uninterrupted flow of drinking water to more than 700 villages in Andhra Pradesh. He established an educational institution and a state-of-the-art super specialty hospital, both of them providing world-class services since inception, absolutely free of cost. After the death of her husband, Eshwaramma started living in the mandir premises at Prashanti. This was actually a boon for the devotees, since they found a mother in her, accessible to all. 6th of May, 1972. After her regular morning shower, as she was sitting on the inner veranda, Eshwaramma suddenly started crying out for Swami. Swami responded by saying he was on his way. But it was at that exact same moment when she breathed her last and became one with the Lord. Hence, from 1977 onwards, 6th of May is celebrated as Children's Day to commemorate her death anniversary. An extraordinary woman who possessed a heart of gold and dedicated her entire life to the service of Swami and humanity alike, I bow down to you, O Divine Mother. Jai Sai Ram.